We'll be making a pop art piece in Photoshop. There's an example here of the sort of thing that we're going to do. This is using an image from popular culture of a cartoon character. It's got repetition, bold shapes, and bright colors. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is make a new artboard. So we'll go up the top here and go File, New. We want it to be international paper, A4 size. The width is 210 millimeters. You might have to change your units here on the right. And 297 high is an A4 page if it hasn't got those values. We want the resolution to be 300 pixels per inch, so make sure that's set. Once it's all in place, we say OK. And as you can see, the new tab at the top tells us it's an untitled work at 25%. So the first thing we're going to do is save it. Go File, Save As. I'll call it pop art underscore, and you need to put your name here. It saves as a Photoshop PSD file, and we hit save. So every time that we make a change from now on, we can go Control S and it will automatically save. Alright, so let's get our cartoon character. You need to get one from the internet. Try and save it as a large image or a higher resolution image. I have one here, so I'll go File, Open, and find my Felix picture. As you can see, it opens in a separate tab or window, and I want to go Control A to select all. There's a little selection of a dotted line around it. Control A to select it, or select all, and Control C to copy it, just like in a Word document. Let's go back to our other image, and as I go Control V, it pastes it in, and you can see it appears here on the right as a new layer. If you don't have layers appearing here, you might have to click on a little icon which looks like a stack of paper sheets, or go Window, Layers to bring that up. We'll be using layers a fair bit as we go. As you can see, the Felix character is a bit smaller than I need, and so let's just resize it straight away. Control T, or where's that shortcut here? Edit. I'm so used to doing keyboard shortcuts, let's just go with that. Control T to transform it. It selects the area around the image, and as you can see, when I grab the corner, I can drag it. I do not want it to distort and change the appearance of it, so let's just undo that. So I hold down Shift as I transform it. I can drag it around with this selection button, and that's pretty good. If I want to resize it again, Control T, hold Shift, and I'll drag it out from there. So I want it to fit nicely on my page and still have some space around it for other things. So apply that transformation, and I'm going to Control S to save that change, and we'll learn some more in the next video clip.